Red Hot Lover.
Oh, I like that one. Put that one in the basket. Let me see. Down by one. Kendrick Lamar goes from Pito. It still went in. The Lakers win again.
Problem is this. I can eat like 5 of these back to back. No, on everything I love. I just got rid of 13 pounds.
Unbelievers, the underachievers, the tweet and deleters. You guys make me sick to my stomachs, fam. Honestly, if you guys want to look in my eyes, you guys want to do something? You guys, that's what I thought. No, that's what I thought.
This guy here, it's Eminem. You know what I mean? He's off the hook with it. When I say he's off the hook, he's just off the ease. He's on something else.
You bought Mike Tyson's mansion? I didn't know that.
Yeah, and then you look down the hallway and you go, whenever you look down the hallway in your house and you don't want to go down there.
Don't tell my mom. I am your mom. I like women. I know.
I'm just gonna scan it. Look, it's like a laser beam.
Pew, pew, pew.
You know, if you wanted to take pictures of me, you could have just asked.
My wife, she'll get upset if she sees you touching me like that on my chest.
I am your one.
Sup?
Do you want to marry me?
Yeah.
Do you really?
Yeah, we will. We will.
Bro.
I'm just gonna sit right here.
Oh my God.
There's a big possibility that I'm high right now, but I'm pretty sure Jesus is in the corner of my room.
Oh my God.
One winner, 42 losers. I eat losers for breakfast.
Ajeita do Zinho, vem mero pra bola. Lobby, pensa grandão. De segunda, velho.
He needs a raise.
Yo. What are you doing?
You're just giving us a ticket.
You literally just giving us a ticket. Why?
Because you're parked on the double yellow line.
But
And it says don't park at any time.
we're not parked.
So if you're
We're
not
waiting.
you're waiting.
Yes, wait.
Listen.
Can you be a pedestrian so I can hit you?
Oh, so now you want to assault me?
No.
Police officer, hey! You see this sign? It said double yellow line. Don't do it again.
You got away with doing nothing because nobody wanted to fill out a complaint on you.
That sounds stupid. How I get away with doing
understand.
nothing? I got away with doing nothing because I did nothing.
No, because you guys did nothing.
Just turn the engine off. Jump it back of the car.
The driver's eager to please and gets into the back of his own car.
Get together. Whoa! Engulfed! That's not right.
Now, played 15 minutes, had 4 points. Back on the bench. Remember, he had.
You tell me good luck. I don't need luck to perform. I decide when to perform good. I'm playing to win, and to win I will destroy you.
Nikki, it's you, my little love, my little angel.
Get your nails clipped or perish in the river below. What will it be, Mr. Bond?
Stop fight. Stop, no. You and me, listen.
You see, petting the dog is one of the most relaxing things you can possibly do. It releases a hormone called oxytocin, which reduces stress.
Is this your elbow? Or is this your elbow?